If food dishes could serve as national food anthems, I can assure you that many nations around the world would argue which food recipe should represent their country. Well, I can be confident that for Ukraine, it's borscht. While this type of soup has many recipes, one always stands out. It's Ukrainian borscht. Hi, my name is Steve, and you're watching another episode of Steve's Easy Cooking. Let's do it! Alright, so for the ingredients we'll need our red beetroots, beef or pork meat, in our case I'm using beef, celery or celery root, carrots and onions, shredded cabbage, garlic powder or fresh garlic, fresh parsley, tomato sauce, sour cream and salt and sugar. Right, first of all we're gonna take our beef chunk, pieces of beef, and put it in the cold water in a prepared pot. Do not salt it, do not do anything, just put in a fresh cold water and bring it to boil and simmer for next 30 minutes. Alright, while meat is cooking, what we're gonna do, we're gonna work a little bit on our veggies. First take beetroots, peel it, make sure it's clean, grind it, then do the same thing with carrots. We peel and grind our carrots, and then we do a celery root. Celery root, basically the same thing. You really don't need a whole celery root, depends on the size, but the size I'm showing you right now, you basically take half the beetroot, peel it, and grind it as well. So we already, and wait until next 30 minutes until meat is get ready and boiled. Make sure that you remove foam from the meat. Alright, so 30 minutes passed. As you can see, we have now our meat already not completely ready, but it's been pre-boiled, pre-simmered. We created some nice beef stock, and now it's time to remove meat and put our veggies that we just prepared, grinded into the soup, and start actually preparing the entire soup. And while our veggies are cooking, just make sure that it's not cooking in a high boiling. It's not high. It shouldn't be high heat. It should be very simmering, very mild heat. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes to finish. You don't want to really overcook them. In the meantime, we're gonna chop up our onion and separate beef chunk meat from its bone. Alright, the fun part starts. We take our pre-chopped onions, pieces of meat. First we put onions in a preheated skillet. We fry this in the oil a little bit, simmer it, not really fried, but simmer it until onions become a little bit translucent. Then you put there a little bit of meat, or you can add the whole portion of meat right away, depends on the size of your pan, and kind of start cooking it all together until onion and meat get caramelized. So first signs of it will be obviously a little bit brownish color. That means it's good. You don't have to over fry it or overcook it because it will be finished in the borscht itself, in the soup. But first you need to make it caramelized and make it that flavor, and that's the key part. Add tomato paste or tomato sauce. You can use, if you don't have tomato paste, you can use any pasta sauce that would be fine with it. All right, and you can try for Now it's time to try the flavor. If you think it needs to be a little bit more sour, you can add a little bit sugar and lemon juice. Alright, now it's time to eat. Take nice soup bowl, place it about desired amount of your borscht into the bowl, add some sour cream, chop parsley or dill. I didn't have dill at the time of cooking this borscht, so you can add parsley. And voila, enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. If you like this recipe and like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to leave your comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.